Getting complaints from a customer about clicking noises after a hub unit has been replaced? Well, I've got an OEM endorsed solution that can help solve the problem. Next!
This video is sponsored by BCA Bearings, the #1 supplier of OE quality hub assemblies. Visit bcabearings.com for more information.
It is extremely rare in the OE service world for two OEMs to have the same problem and come up with the same solution. Nissan and Audi in two recent TSPs outlined a similar problem, clicking under acceleration and braking. Their solution, well, it was the use of moly lubricants on the hub unit and also the CV axle. Nissan's solution, well, they want you to coat the surfaces of the CV axle that make contact with the hub unit. This helps to get rid of the clicking. Audi, well, this is about hub units, and they want you to apply a thin coating of moly lubricant on the areas that make contact with the knuckle. So we have two OEMs, similar solutions, but both have the same advice. Make sure that you do not get any of the moly lubricant on the threaded bolt holes or the fasteners themselves. And also in the case of Nissan, make sure that the splines keep clean, and also the threads on the stub axle do not get any moly lubricant on it. So tighten everything down to the right torque specifications, and hopefully that gets rid of your click. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.